Hello, Namaste, Namaskara. This is Matthew, your stock market teacher, and welcome to my channel, Stock Market Teacher. I bring to you my 14 years of stock market experience and how to trade and invest in the stock markets. I started this channel with an objective to teach the interested individual how to understand the charts, how the technical analysis works, what are the things that you need to look at, and what are the things that you need to wait for before you jump into the markets. In this video, I'm going to make it very simple for you how to draw the support and resistance levels that we talk and hear about, and we try to do it on the charts. There are a lot of videos on YouTube that you look at, but let me help you to understand how simple it is to draw the support and resistance levels. And by learning in this video how you are going to draw the support and resistance levels, it's gonna make your life very easy to draw these levels. Okay, I'm going to show you how the things work, what are the things where you are going wrong, what are the things that you need to look at when you're drawing the support and resistance level, and how you can monetize them. So please watch this video until the end. Do not hop and skip the videos, and if you like these videos, please give a thumbs up, please subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit on the bell notification so that whenever I upload a video, you are notified immediately. Please go and watch my earlier videos on which I had used support resistance levels and how I gave the targets, and all the stocks that I have recommended through those videos have hit their targets. They have made their moves, massive moves, 10%, 15% moves, by just understanding how the things work in the stock markets. So let's begin and understand how this resistance support lines work and how to draw them on the charts. But before I show you how to draw the resistance support lines on the charts, let me help you understand what do I mean by the support levels, what do I mean by the resistance levels on the chart. Now, simply put, okay, I'm not going to complicate things for you. It has to be very simple in the market when you want to trade or invest, and how you make money from the markets. All right, the resistance levels is nothing but, say for example, the stock has been moving higher, and suddenly it makes a U-turn from there and starts to fall. Okay, and starts to fall. This level, after rising from where the market stopped moving ahead and made a U-turn from there, this is called as a resistance level. Okay, and the market or the stock has been falling, and suddenly it stops at a certain price level and makes a U-turn from there. This is called as a level of support. Okay, so what is the level of resistance and what is the level of support? A level of resistance is a zone from where the price has previously been rising, and suddenly it makes a stops and makes a U-turn and starts to fall from there. And support level is a zone from where the price has been previously falling, reaches a certain price level and starts to take a U-turn and starts to rise from that level. So this level is a level of resistance, this level is a level of support. This is as simple as that. Okay, so to identify a resistance or support level, you have to look left on your chart. Okay, always look left on your chart and see the previously where the stock has been falling, which zone it's stopped and made a U-turn from there and started to rise. You will be able to identify a support level. If you want to identify a resistance level, look left on your chart, see if the price has been rising previously, at which zone or level it stopped, made a U-turn from there and started to fall from their level. This level is called as a zone of resistance. Now this level, why this is a level of resistance, is because this is where the selling takes over the buying. That means sellers become more and more active at this level. Okay, so this causes a zone of resistance. This zone, okay, is where the buyers get active, okay, or the bulls get active and they push the prices higher. This is what causes a level of support and resistance levels. Okay, this is as simple as that to understand resistance levels and support levels. The resistance is where the prices halt after rising and make a U-turn and fall. Support level is where the prices halt after falling and make a U-turn and they start to rise. This is very simple to understand. Okay, now where the mistake happens is where you're trying to draw the resistance and support levels. What many newcomers do is they draw these things wrongly on the chart. So we will understand today how you can simply make resistance and support level on your chart, and what you need to do when the price comes to these particular levels. Okay, this is as simple as that. So let's go to the chart. Okay, let's go to the chart and understand what are we looking at. Okay, what are we looking at now? This is the chart that we are here on. So these levels you can draw on any time frame. Okay, you can draw on any time frame. Now what are your time frame that you are looking at? You have daily, weekly, monthly. So you can draw them on a minute chart, you can draw them on an hourly chart, you can draw them on a daily, weekly or monthly chart. They work around the same lines, the resistance and support level. So since we are on this particular stock, that is Vartman Textiles, on this chart I will draw and show you, okay, draw and show you how the which is the resistance level and which is the support levels. Okay, now these resistance support levels could be many resistance support levels on the chart. These are not only one resistance level or one support levels. Okay, your resistance support levels could be many. All right, and next thing you need to understand is, this is a very important point to note, that the resistance or support lines, okay, the resistance or support lines, they are not an exact price point. That is, for example, if I draw a resistance support lines here like this, what it shows here is 2033. So it does not mean the resistance will come exactly at 2033. No, this is the zone that you're going to look at. So this is where many people go wrong here. So today I'm going to make it very simple for you, for those who are trying to understand how to draw the resistance support level lines. These are the zones where the price could face a resistance, also where the price could take a support. So let's see how I can draw the resistance and support lines on this chart. Now first understand, okay, or look at the chart where the price has been rising. All right, where the price has been rising. So now if you look at this chart here, you see the price has been rising. Okay, the price has been rising. Okay, and after rising this level, okay, it is struggling to go forward. Okay, it's struggling to move high. From there, okay, from here around this level, what does the price do? The price makes a U-turn. Remember what I said. First, how to identify the resistance level. First, the price has to rise. Previously, the price has to rise and it reaches a certain level and makes a U-turn from that particular level. Okay, it makes a U-turn from that particular level. So this is the level from where the price reached and made a U-turn from that level. Now this level, as I said, this level marks an important level. This level makes a resistance level. So this is the level where the buyers are not powerful. Okay, so this is the level where the sellers are powerful. The sellers dominated from this level. That's why you see the price fall. Okay, that's why you see the price fall. So I got my resistance level here. So what I'll do is, okay, I will mark that on the chart. Now you see here, now which one to mark? Should I mark this one or should I mark this one? You need to understand that these are not, okay, this is not the exact resistance level, this is not the exact price point. So this becomes a zone. So what you need to do is you need to mark a zone. So first see from where the price is struggling to move. Okay, so this is a zone from where the price is struggling to move. It has fallen, it has bounced back up here. Okay, it bounced up here from this green candlestick. It gave another high here, and from here the price fell. So what makes the move here? It makes this level as the resistance level. Okay, this level as the resistance level. So now you see here, there is no one line here. You don't have one line that I have drawn here. I have made a zone kind of a thing here. Okay, if I zoom in, okay, you see here, this is zone where the price could face a resistance if it comes to this level. Okay, if it comes to this level, the price, okay, could face a resistance at this level. So this is the level the price could face a resistance. Okay, now you see here, this is how I have drawn my resistance level. This is how you need to draw your resistance level, resistance zone. Remember, this is not an exact price point, it's a zone. So you have a resistance zone or resistance level. Similarly, you need to understand, okay, how to draw a support level. Now, how to draw a support level? First, you need to find out previously from where the price has been falling, okay, and you need to figure out where the price has jumped or made a U-turn from that level, from that particular level. So now on the same chart, okay, on the same chart, what I'm going to do is, see, the price has fallen from this level, okay, you see the price has fallen from this level, okay, and after reaching this point here, okay, the price has made a U-turn, okay, and made a small bounce, and again it has fallen, again made a big jump from this particular level, made a big U-turn from this particular. Now, which one you're going to consider? Whether I'm going to consider this as my support level or this my support level. Remember, this is not exact price point, so this is a market. So in terms of volatility in the market, there will be volatility in the market. You cannot say this will be exact price point from where the price. So this makes it my zone here. So I will take the low of this candlestick, okay, I will take the low of this candlestick from where the price has bounced from this level. So I will mark my level here, okay, I will mark my level here. And remember, you need to extend it towards your right, okay, this becomes your future reference point. So what I mean by this, you will understand, you will come to know that in future where the price might be expected to face a resistance, or the price might be expected to find a support, okay. So this is what I have simply drawn it. I have identified the resistance zone, I have identified the support zone. So now you look here, so this is the level which I drew here, or the zone which I drew here, the resistance zone which I drew here, and identified that Vardhaman Textile could face a resistance at 2013 or at between 2013 and between 2035 levels, okay. So 2013 or 2035 levels is your resistance zone, okay. In between that level it could face a resistance. So what Vardhaman Textile does, okay, now this is the resistance zone got formed in August 21, okay. Next time when the price comes to this level, okay, in September 21, see how beautifully it is acting as your resistance zone, okay. So now the price came to this zone, and what does it do? It does not move forward, because here the market had shown previously that this is your resistance zone, this is your resistance zone. So the market, okay, where the sellers are stronger. So what did the market, when the price came back here, the market made a U-turn again, okay, the market made a U-turn again from this particular level, okay, the market made a U-turn from this particular level, and okay, what it does, it falls and makes a U-turn from this level, but we have drawn a support at this level, you might ask. Now what do I do in that case? In that case, now what you need to understand is the support level has shifted higher in this case here, okay. It does not mean that you need to delete this support. No, now you have multiple resistance and support levels in this particular stock price, okay. Remember what I said at the beginning, it's not one level or one resistance support levels. There are multiple resistance support levels that could you could find around on a chart, okay. So now what you need to do is you need to mark another support level here, okay. You need to mark another support level. So what I'll do is I will identify from where the price has fallen previously, okay, made a low, okay, around this levels, okay, and it started to bounce from these levels. You see here, see, okay, you see here the price has started to bounce from this particular level, okay. The price has made a big bounce from this particular level. So this makes another support zone in this price action, okay. In this entire price action you could see multiple resistance and support levels, okay. You could see multiple resistance support levels. So this is another zone here which the Vardhaman Textiles, the price action has created another support level from where the price has fallen, made a U-turn, and has made a big move higher from this particular level, Okay, now where the price is trading at, the price is trading near the support level. The price is trading near the support level. So this is also a support level. It could act. Okay, you could see a U-turn from here, or you have another support level from where the price could take a U-turn from this level. But remember, these do not work all the 100% of the time. That means if the resistance could be, become a resistance all the time. The resistances could break out. So there is no 100% guarantees in anything in the markets. In anything in the markets, you have to remember. That's why risk management is very, very important. You need to take a trade and you need to identify and put your stop losses in the market. That is very, very important in the market. Not being 100% right, it's not possible at all. Nobody can do that. Remember that. All right, so you have your resistance level, you have your resistance level, you have a support level, you have a support level here. So this is how you need to mark the resistance level. This is how you need to mark the support. Remember, resistance is a place where the sellers become active. Okay, support zone is a place where the buyers become active. Okay, now there might be another question here, okay, which comes to your mind, that now which resistance support levels I need to take. Okay, now here also there is a resistance level. Can you see this? Okay, the price made a small bounce here, okay, and then fell from that level. Okay, can you see this? Okay, this is also a kind of a resistance level here. This is, now you could ask yourself, now which one do I need to take in? Okay, which one do I need to consider? So what I do basically is I try to figure out, okay, from where the price has fallen the most, okay, and I ignore this small, okay, falls here. Now compare the fall from this level, okay, compare the fall from this level, okay, and compare the fall from this level. Which is bigger? This is bigger. So what I do is I ignore this resistance level and I keep on my chart this particular level. This makes a strong resistance level and this makes a strong support level from where the prices bounce. Okay, now this also makes a strong support level because you see the big moves have happened even from this level, okay, and the big move has also happened from this particular level. Okay, but it does not mean this is not important. This is also kind of important in the market, but you need to draw a line which one you want to consider and you wait for the price to come to that level and then take a trade. Okay, sometimes the price will not even come to this particular support level. You have been waiting for so long, the price comes to this level, but it doesn't happen and the price just makes a U-turn from higher levels. Fine, does not matter. You move on to the next stock and draw your support level here. This makes a, now the price has come to this support level. Sometimes the resistances get broken. Okay, sometimes as you see here, sometimes the resistance is broken and again the price comes back down below this level. Okay, this is market for you. There is not exact 100% short trade that you're going to look at. So you understood now which ones are the things. So I'll summarize it for you once again. I'll repeat the things that I have discussed. Resistance is a place from where the price has been rising previously. It struggles to move ahead from there on. You can understand the price action. Okay, if you don't understand how to find out where the price is struggling to move ahead, I'll make another videos which are the candlesticks that you need to consider. Okay, so if you want me to make such videos, many more videos in future, only thing that I ask for is please to subscribe to my channel and hit on the like button, and you can comment and tell me where you can where you are facing difficulties, what are the stocks that I can analyze. I will come up with the videos. So please do not hit on the like button, and do not forget to subscribe and also share it with your friends or family who are interested to learn about the stock markets and how the charting works. Yeah, so coming back to the chart, this is how you identify the resistance level. You identify where the price has risen previously, struggled to face or struggled to move ahead and made a U-turn. Okay, this marks your resistance zone. The price has fallen, and now it's struggling to go down much more, makes a U-turn and starts to rise. This is your resistance support level. So this is one simple stock. This is one simple way. This is a very simple way to draw your resistance support levels. Okay, let's go to another chart. Now let's look at the Nifty chart. Okay, now let's look at the Nifty chart. Now you see here what has been happening on this chart. Okay, now Nifty, you see here Nifty has made, there are no big falls in this price action here. Okay, the big falls were here, you see here previously. Okay, around these levels you could see Nifty falling, but there's not much big fall here. But let's try to understand, let's try to draw where the Nifty could face a resistance or where it could find a support level here. Okay, where it could find a support level here. Now let's identify the support levels on Nifty or resistance on Nifty chart. Now see the price has been trending. Okay, now you see here this level here. Okay, this is the level that you're looking at. Now the price has fallen from that level. Okay, and this level. Okay, there's not big fall here. So what has the Nifty done? Nifty has easily broken from this particular level and it's zoomed past from this particular level. So resistance once broken, in technical analysis we say that resistance once broken, in future it tends to act as a support level. Okay, it tends to act as a support. So if this resistance is broken, in future it tends to act as support level. So now what Nifty has done yesterday is Nifty has come to this level and it has tried to take a support here. So you see here there's a long lower wick here. The Nifty has tried to take a support here. So this could act as a support level for Nifty going forward. Okay, if it holds. As I said, there's no 100% guarantee. Now here, okay, you see here around this particular zone, okay, Nifty could face a resistance level, that is 18,500 zone. Okay, you see 18,500 to 18,600 zone. This is a zone Nifty could face a resistance level. So now you know where Nifty could face resistance and where it might take a support level. This is how you're going to mark your levels. So this is a Nifty chart. Now let's look at some other stock. Let's look at Infosys. Okay, let's look at Infosys stocks. Okay, now let's try to figure out where it could find a support, where you could see a resistance on this particular stock. Okay, now what has Nifty done? Okay, now here, okay, the price has been rising previously, made a U-turn from there. Excuse me, made a U-turn from there. All right, and then what it does, the price has fallen. Okay, and around the same level. Okay, you see here, this is the zone here. Okay, this is the zone here. The price has made a touch this level and made a fall from this level, has come to this level here, and it has bounced from this level. Okay, and it has bounced from this level. So I will take the lowest point, I will take this point also from where the price has bounced. Okay, and then I will mark the level here. Okay, so this, I've got a resistance zone, I've got a support zone. You see here from where I'll taken a few wicks here to figure out my resistance zone. I've taken a few wicks down here. Sometimes you don't have a wick, so you can draw it from the body also. That's not a problem at all. So you have taken this zone. Now see here, the price comes to this level, faces the resistance, goes down. The price comes to this level, faces finds support, bounces higher. Now here in this case you might ask, okay, what has happened from here? So what you do is your resistance zone has extended a bit in this case. Okay, so your resistance zone has extended a bit in this case. So what I'll do is I'll just mark this zone a little bit higher. Okay, you don't have to draw another resistance level, so you just extend it towards the high side and just drag it. Okay, and then drag it towards the right side. Okay, drag this one towards the right side. So you have your resistance zone, you have your support zone. Now here the Nifty, okay, you saw here what it did. It tried to zoom past, but it did not sustain. Okay, so this showed that the buyers were not that dominant. Okay, so the price did not move higher from this particular level. Okay, the price did not move higher from this particular. Now the Nifty is coming back to this particular level. Now what is this zone called? This zone is called a support. So around 1660 to 1675, 1680 levels, Nifty could find a support level again. It could find, if the buyers jump in, okay, when they take dominance here, that means they become stronger here, then you could see Nifty moving higher from this level again here. All right, so you have your resistance level, you have a support level. So this is a simple way to draw your resistance and support level, guys. Okay, please do not complicate things. Okay, in the markets this is very, very simple. You know where the Nifty or any stock or any asset class, see these levels you can draw not only on stocks, on any asset class. You can draw them on forex, you can draw them on commodities, you can draw them on cryptocurrencies. It's as simple as that. Identify from where the price is struggling to move higher, makes a U-turn and falls, take that level. Don't take just one candlestick. See if you can find few candlesticks where you could see that you can draw a resistance zone. So the next time when the price comes to this level, you should not be buying this level. Okay, you should wait for the price to show you what is happening around that level, or you got to take a short. Okay, when the price comes to support level, you should not be looking at selling. You could see some kind of buying action where the price could move higher from that level. So markets, okay, or the price action always leaves a trail, and you can make use of that. That is what is technical analysis or chart trading is. All right, so I hope this video has brought or shed some light on how to draw resistance support levels. Okay, if you have liked the videos, again, please hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel for many more videos. It motivates me, so it doesn't take it just takes a click of the button to like the videos and subscribe to my channel. Hit on the bell notification. All right, wait for my next videos. I'll come with many more videos to share my 14 years of stock market experience. Thank you.